Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to lip sync in HeyGen. First, open the HeyGen website and sign in to your account. Once you are logged in, you will arrive at the home screen where you can see different options available for creating videos. From these options, select the one that says Photo to Video. This will allow you to generate a video using an image and a voice track. After opening it, click on the Script to Video option to continue. Here, you can enter the script that you want your character to speak. If you already have an audio file, you can upload it directly. You can also record audio inside HeyGen if you want to create the voice right from the platform. If you want to use your own voice, look at the bottom section and click on the Voice button. Then click on the Clone Your Voice option at the top. You can record yourself speaking into your microphone for a few seconds, or you can upload a pre-recorded voice file. HeyGen will use that voice for your video. Next, choose the image that you want to animate. You can upload a new photo by clicking on the Upload button and selecting an image from your device. If your device has a camera, you can also clone directly using the camera. Another option is to use one of the built-in characters provided by HeyGen. After that, select the video quality. You can choose between 720p and 1080p. Keep in mind that 1080p requires a paid subscription. You can also open the advanced settings to describe the motions and gestures you want your character to perform during the video. This gives you more control over the final result. Once everything is ready, click on Generate. HeyGen will process your project, and your video should be ready within a few minutes. Thanks for watching.